Your Excellency, President Dr. Mohamed Muizu, honorable ministers, dear colleagues and friends, it's my great honor to congratulate Your Excellency, President Muizu, on being selected for this year's World No Tobacco Day Special Recognition Award. We recognize your exemplary leadership and commitment to protecting the health of the people of the Maldives. We applaud especially your strong action to combat tobacco and restrict the spread of emerging nicotine products. Under your leadership, the Maldives has taken bold steps. These include ratifying a major amendment to the tobacco control law, expanding smoke-free spaces, banning e-cigarettes and e-liquids, raising the minimum age of sale to 21 years, and prohibiting tobacco advertising and sponsorship. You oversaw an amendment to increase tobacco taxation, making these harmful products less affordable and accessible. And you established a nationwide cessation program so that every health facility across the country offers free support to help people quit tobacco. These are not only significant achievements for the Maldives, they serve as an inspiring example for other countries working toward a tobacco-free future. Your vision for a smoke-free Maldives will save lives and improve the health and well-being of current and future generations. Shukriya and best wishes for continued success.